agree with Cleo.
I can't help it. I'm worried about T-Bone.
I'm just worried that Bud and Lou might have gotten to him.
Maybe it's time to go in after him now.
Yeah, let's go.
T-Bone! Are you okay?
Where are Bud and Lou? Did you find them? Yeah, sort of. I want to talk to them. Where are they? Just wait till Frenchie sees this bag of gags. The only thing you crooks will be seeing is the pound. Yeah! Clifford, Squirts, long time no see.
We'd love to catch up, but that's your job.
Hey!
Bye!
They're getting away! Come on! They can't get away from us!